Hi guys, welcome to new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide your followers and following list on Instagram in just few simple steps. First, open your Instagram app, then tap your profile, then tap three lines, then scroll down, then tap help, then tap report problem, then turn off shake phone to report problem option over here, then tap report problem again, then tap include and continue, then send them this message exactly as you can see it on the screen, okay? Then tap send. And within 2 to 4 days, your followers and following list on Instagram will be hidden, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video. Bye.